Ready to take your company to the next level? Let's talk health screenings. Healthy employees mean a thriving company. Regular health screenings can catch potential issues early, keeping your team in top shape and reducing absenteeism. Imagine a workplace buzzing with energy and positivity. Sounds great, right? For employees, these screenings offer peace of mind and personalized health advice, empowering them to make better lifestyle choices. For employers, the benefits are clear increased productivity, lower healthcare costs, and a happier, more engaged workforce. Companies that have embraced health screenings report not only lower healthcare expenses, but also higher employee satisfaction and retention. So why wait? Invest in the well-being of your team today. Implementing health screenings is a win-win for everyone. Let's build a healthier, more productive workplace together.